cases of racial abuse too. The first of the 64 games of the 21st FIFA World Cup kicks off. The overture to the greatest show half a dozen times in the last year, 5 times here in Russia. Zagoev trying to make some early inroads. This is Mario Fernandez. Now Smolov. He's got the right back in behind the Saudi defence and went for... He is naturally right-footed. It's not a natural position for him on the left-hand side. Zhirkov. Zobnin has fed. Zagoev just couldn't quite get the shot that he wanted away. Retrieves it for Zhirkov. Golovin's cross. It's a good one and a free header. And the first goal of the Russia World Cup is a Russian goal. Yuri Kaczynski gives the host nation the lead after... Clever turn by Zagoev. No flag, turned back by Mario Fernandez and palmed away by Elmayev. I think the attempt on goal was by Fedor. Hausawi, it's a poor pass. It's taken on too much and Samedov. Sends the Russian fullbacks are pushing forward at every opportunity. Zhirkov has found Golovin. Al Salawi up with him for the moment. It's early in towards the striker. That wasn't far away. It actually came off. Now break. Slow to get out, 1 or 2 of the Saudi players. There's an opportunity to the lead. A breakout. It's 3 against 2 here momentarily. Smolov and Zagoev has gone down, clutching his hamstring. That's him out of the game and maybe the tournament. Smolov's lost the ball. It's the first time by Al Salawi. It's a free kick one by Al Jabbar. Towards Al-Sharani with a little... Cherishev's free at the far post, dispossessed though by Osama Hausawi. Good advantage play. This challenge is a good one. Osama Hausawi at the full strip. Having short of competitive action. Cheryshev, good turn. Break managed to blur. Undone again here. Zobnin in support. Chance for Cheryshev. Still a chance for Cheryshev. 2-0. Russia double their lead. Denis Cheryshev. So far, so good for Russia. With Egypt and Uruguay in it too. The rules of engagement in the group stage.
They've been loose all around the pitch.
A chance now for Smolov to get in behind Hausawi, who recovered. Worth a go by Samedov. Now break. Ball crossed in, this time towards Al Salawi, and that was an opportunity. And the man who hasn't scored, Al Jassan, into a good area in the flicked header by Al Faraj, was just wide of the mark. This is Cheryshev coming off too. His replacement is he's a pacey runner. He's a winger really, who's been in towards Cheryshev with a header, and it's easy up. Zobnin. Oh, it's poor goalkeeping. Just about managed to recover to the tall, rather awkward, but pretty prolific Artem Zobnin. Golovin in towards Zuba! Instant impact from the bench by Artem Zuba. Russia 3, Saudi Arabia nil. Al Dorsari. Oh, he struck that well. Wow. Fair, waving at it as if to say, I've got that
coming off his perch off the wide berth.
It's going to the right-footed Golovin. In pursuit. And he's managed to get away from Zhirkov. By Hebre's shot, miss-hit. Made way now. Final change for Saudi Arabia. In towards Kutyapov, it almost came put in front of you, and Russia are beating Saudi Arabia thoroughly. Here's Cheryshev. Oh! What a finale from Denis Cheryshev. The goal of the night to Alexander Golovin. Scores! Super show from Russia now. Retrieves it for Zhirkov. Golovin's cross. It's a good one and a free header. And the first goal of the Russia World Cup is a Russian goal. Yuri Kaczynski gives the host nation the lead after they're undone again here. Zobnin in support. Chance for Cheryshev. Still a chance for Cheryshev. 2-0. Russia double their lead. Denis Cheryshev. Zobnin. Golovin in towards Zuba. Instant impact from the bench by Artem Zuba. Russia 3, Saudi Arabia now. Put in front of you, and Russia are beating Saudi Arabia thoroughly. Here's Cheryshev. Oh! What a finale from Denis Cheryshev. The goal of the night to Alexander Golovin. Scores! Super show from Russia now. 5 of the best.